up, besties? Kelly Jo here, your food allergy BFF. I wanted to bring you guys some amazing Valentine Candy Swaps today. So these are two of our favorites. These are two of the 12 that I have included in this month's Valentine guide. So every month I do a fun themed version for that month. This month, obviously for February, is Valentine's Day, or as I like to say, I love you day. Valentine's Day, the complete guide to making friends with your food allergies. So two of the 12. The first one is Giggles. These Giggles are amazing. They're made from Yum Earth. This is what the package looks like. They are a swap for Skittles, and they are so yummy. They come 10 little individual packs in this big bag. And let's see, let me read off the bag. They are vegan, they're gluten-free, organic and non-GMO, colored with real fruit and vegetable juices, manufactured and packaged in a peanut-free facility made without soy, egg, dairy, fish, shellfish, peanuts or tree nuts, artificial dyes, or high fructose corn syrup, which makes everybody's little brain go nuts. So, yeah, none of that is in here. This is the better for you candy. All right, so Giggles, allergy friendly. We love Yum Earth. Thank you so much. Not a sponsor yet. Next up, we have, oh my gosh, guys, I love this company. They are called No Way, W-H-E-Y, because they're milk-free chocolate, No Way Foods. And they make delicious chocolate. And this is coming from an absolute chocoholic. I might maybe have a little bit of a problem with chocolate, but I digress. These are adorable. These are milk chocolate, well, milk-less milk chocolate lollipops. I don't know if you can see, this one says I love you, and it's kind of embossed in there, and then it's got the white chocolate heart. These are just regular hearts with the white chocolate heart inside. They come individually packaged, so you can just slip them into the Valentine baskets of your kiddos. They're so good. And also, this company also makes, I'm a Reese's fanatic. Yeah, you heard me. I love Reese's. They're fantastic, but they're made with peanuts, so I don't want them in my house. I don't even want the possibility of something happening. So they make, at No Way Foods, pea-not cups, which are spectacular. Sister loves them. They are her go-to favorite sweet treat. You better not eat them every day. She's lying. That's not right. No Way Foods, love you. Not a sponsor yet. Okay, but these are two of the 12 candy swaps that I have in this month's Valentine guide. Also included in this month's guide, I have included 3 recipes. The first one, all of my recipes that I cook, I try to make free of all top 9 food allergens, so that way there's no risk of anything happening, and they're delicious. Like my whole jam is taking favorite family traditional meals, swapping out the ingredients, and making recipe makeovers. That's my deal. So the 3 for this month, the first one is a breakfast. It is heart-shaped, because everybody needs heart-shaped, all free pancakes. They're so good. My kids love them. Like, if they could eat them every day, they definitely would. Second, green olive chicken. You serve it over a bed of brown rice. You could even do noodles if you wanted to, gluten-free noodles. But my kids, for birthdays, for holidays, for any special occasion, dinner, they request this meal. It's that good. And you can make it spicy or not spicy, totally up to you. You are the chef in your own kitchen. So the third one, what's the third one? Third one is beef stroganoff. I'm a pasta lover, and pasta is my love language, so I figured why not include a pasta dish this month. Beef stroganoff, dairy-free, top 9 free. Yes, sir. Oh, you're hungry. Okay, gotta make this quick. And then I've also found 3 amazing activities that you can purchase on Amazon. They're all Valentine themed and things that you can do together for games as a family. And then the fourth, I made 3 printables. The first one is heart-shaped tic-tac-toe. Quarantine life, oi. Where was I? Okay, so 3 Amazon games, but then also 3 printables that I created. So we've got heart-shaped X's and O tic-tac-toe, We have MASH. Do you guys remember that game? You know, the game that tells the future, where you do like a mansion or an apartment or a shack or a house, and then you write the names of who you're gonna fall in love with, how many kids you're gonna have in the car, and where you're gonna live, and all the, you know, tells your future. Love that game. It's so fun. I remember playing it in the bus with my girlfriends on the way to school. Yeah, or probably actually more on the way home from school. But it was super fun, so I figured I would recreate it and make it super cute, and now our kids can play it. And then also, I'm super proud of the last one. I wanted to do something to teach my kids to be of service to those around them. It's not all about me, me, me all the time. Let's do things for others. So I created a 14 devotion do's. The idea of it, it's a little late in the month now, but never too late to start being of service, I think. But there's 14 days, 14 things to do. They're heart shapes, and then on the back you print out, cut out, and glue the service activity. 14 of them, you do one a day or twice a day or whatever that you need to do to catch up. And it's things for like the kids to do for their siblings, or, you know, read a book to your parents, or tell a joke to your dad, or write a letter or a note to your neighbor and leave it on their doorstep. You know, just things to show how much you care, because it is I love you day after all. So that's it. If you want to, I would appreciate if you would download my free guide for Valentine's Day. It is on the website. Like I said, it's chock full of all kinds of awesomeness, and it's so beautiful itself. I think I did a pretty good job this month. But it's foodallergybff.com/Valentine-guide. Valentine-guide. So that way you can have everything you need. There's a link to a shopping list where you can just click on the links and it'll take you where you need to go. I've noticed that some of the grocery stores are really stepping up, and they are starting to carry Yum Earth. I haven't seen No Way Foods. They do have Enjoy Life. That's another brand that we love. But I've included links just in case your local health food store, wellness store doesn't carry these brands. They are available on Amazon, or some of them are on Vitacost or some of the other websites as well. So happy Valentine's Day. Happy I love you day. Let's share the love. I will talk to you next time. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss one of my next episodes. Bye-bye.